What if I told you? In the shadows of Harlem, Bumpy Johnson Black American emerged as a powerful figure, bridging the gap between the black community and the Italian mafia. With a keen eye for opportunity, he orchestrated massive heroin deals, raking in up to $50,000 a month. But it wasn't just about the money. Bumpy maintained a delicate balance, ensuring that no rival families could encroach on his territory. His unique partnership with the mob allowed him to thrive while paying tribute to the bigger players. Originally an enforcer for Madame Stephanie St. Clair, Bumpy, Black American seized control of Harlem's underworld after striking a deal with Lucky Luciano. His reign was marked by numbers running, extortion, and drug trafficking, leading to over 40 arrests and a notorious 15-year stint at Alcatraz. Bumpy Johnson wasn't just a criminal. He was a legend, shaping the streets of Harlem in ways that still echo today.